Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will unbox and review a colorful silicone animal light. It's a night lamp which also change color in the shape of baby dinosaur. Inside the box there is manual instruction, cable USB Type-C, the Aqueenly Dinosaur night light. This night lamp is shaped like a dinosaur and soft to touch. This dinosaur light has the CPC Child Safety Certificate certified by the United States, is made of BPA-free silicone, which mean is 100% child safe. It has 7 attractive soft colors, which can change the color with just a tap. Very interesting and fascinated. The button is below for turn it on or off. When you first turn it on, you get yellow color. All you need to do is tap on it and it will keep change color every 3 seconds. And if you tap on it again the lamp turn off. After fully charged, the light can be used for about 10 hours, and the colorful light can be used for about 11 hours. It has also a 3-hour automatic shutdown timer function. All you need to do is press the power button, the yellow light flashes twice, and the 3-hour timer function is turned on. If not needed, press the power button again to turn off the timing function. This light works very well. I like this one in particular because it has a USB charger and doesn't require batteries. You charge it and it's good to go. The charging port is on the bottom of the light, so it will be hard to use it and charge it at the same time. The light is nice and bright, but it's a soft bright, it doesn't hurt the eyes at all. This is the best gift for kids. Thanks for watching.